This is what $346,000 gets you in Elmendorf, Texas. So we are on a quarter-acre lot, and the home has an exterior of the brick along with the farm style elevation. This home is a 3-car garage. This is the clearance between the two houses, so you definitely have that space. And inside of the home, the garage floor does have the epoxy flooring. And we do have a tankless hot water heater. And actually, let's look behind. So right across, because we are in a new build community, so right across we have a lot of empty lots. So if you're looking to be in Elmendorf, we are about 20 minutes from downtown San Antonio. So you're very close. There will be new HEB opening up soon at the end of this year. So you're close to a lot of things. So as we enter into the home, we have that foyer entrance. This is the main door right here. And the ceilings are the tray ceilings in the front. And right off of that front door is where you will have your first bedroom. And the closets do come with the built-in shelf. Okay, so as we go in, we're going to next go to the bathroom. This is the first bathroom. Has a window and a tub. Okay, and looks like we are met with the 8-foot doors throughout the rooms as well. And have a nice linen closet right between the two rooms. This is the second room. The rooms are a nice size. You can comfortably fit a queen size bed in this room. And it also has the built-in closets. Okay, so before we go into the kitchen and dining room area, this is the garage where I came in from. And right off of the garage, we do have the laundry area. And our third bedroom. So all of the bedrooms are towards the front of the home, and the primary will be in the back. Again, in this closet, we have the built-in closets as well. And it does come with the smart thermostat, and we have the dining area, the chandelier, and then we have the kitchen over here with the built-in appliances. So your refrigerator would go right here. Have the white cabinets with kind of a grayish, brownish granite. We have our built-in microwave, which is Whirlpool, and our built-in oven with some cabinets above it. And this is our pantry. It's pretty deep. Okay, and our cabinets, we do have the tile backsplash and a gas cooktop. Okay, and the island, we have a farm style sink and we have the dishwasher. So now we're gonna go into the living room area. And so you can see that space. And the ceiling, we have about 4 wooden beams, and it does come with the ceiling fan. Have pretty open lighting in the living room area, and the door to the backyard also has glass, and it definitely lets in, a lot of the natural lighting from outside. Now the landscaping hasn't been done quite yet, but as you can see, this patio is oversized and we're still getting a good bit of shade for the early afternoon. But this side is long enough. You can put a pool. You could even have a basketball court out here if you wanted to. And this side is very wide for a playground. You can have a grill area. So it will be the same on the other side, but because it is no landscaping, we won't look at that as of right now, but just imagine the same amount on the other side as far as the land is concerned, and it's gonna be equal on that side. So this home is move-in ready now. As you can see, all we need is a new owner for it. So the details will be in the description below, but as of right now, it's listed for $346,000. This builder is giving incentives on their financing and some help with closing costs. So all of that will be in the description as well. If you're interested, I can be reached at 830-369-1776. And if you're relocating to the greater San Antonio area, definitely check out my relocations guide. Elmendorf is in Bexar County, which is where San Antonio is. So we're very close to a lot that San Antonio has to offer, but you get that kind of that small town country feel, and you're away from everything. So just in case you like to have a little privacy and have more space. So primary closet. And we'll turn on this light. And it does have the double vanities and closets. So thank you again for watching. And again, if you have any questions about this home or this builder, you can always reach out. Check out my details in the description. Have a good day. Thanks.